Sa isang maikling press conference po na ginawa ng Presidential Communications Office, binalita po ni DOTR Secretary Jaime Bautista ang tiyakang pagbubukas po ng Cavite Extension Phase 1 ng LRT-1 sa buwan po ng Nobyembre. Itong buwan na to, within the month, magbubukas daw po itong LRT-1 Cavite Extension. Tinutukoy po ng kalihim yung bagong istasyon ng LRT-1 na dinagdag po nila. Yan po yung mga Redemptorist Asiana Station, yung Mia Road Station, PITX, yung bagong Ninoy Aquino Avenue Station, malapit po sa Terminal 1, at ang Dr. Santos Station, dyan po sa may Kilalang Mall. Inaasahan mong makakabawas sa bilang po ng mga commuters na gumagamit po ng public transport, mga jeepney, mga bus, mga UB Express, na pwede ring ikaluwag ng trapiko dahil mababawasan po ang four-wheel na sasakyan. Yan po ang inaasahan. Sa parehong press conference, kinumpirma po ng Light Rail Manila Corporation CEO and General Manager, ito po yung operator ng LRT-1, si Ginoong Enrico Benipayo, kinumpirma po niya ang sinabi po ni Secretary Bautista. Ay yung pagbubukas po ng extension ng LRT-1 mula Baclaran hanggang Sucat, tiyak mong mangyayari ngayong buwan po ng November. Pero meron po tayong mga na-receive na unconfirmed reports, hindi pa nakukonfirm ng ating mga kakilala, na sa November 16 yata nakatakda ang pagbubukas. As a result po ng pagbubukas nitong 5 istasyon, yung dating 20 kilometers na LRT-1 ay magiging 26 kilometer na po. Yan po ay mula sa Quezon City, dyan po sa may Roosevelt o FPJ Station. Magtatapos po yan hanggang dito na po sa Sucat, Parañaque. Aba po, ano? At tuwan-tuwa po ating kaibigan si Jason Salvador dahil mabubuksan na po yung station dyan po sa may PITX. So, bukod sa bus, bukod pa sa UB Express, mga taxi, pwede na pong pumunta sa PITX sa pamamagitan po ng LRT-1. Ito po ang unang railway project na nakumpleto sa ilalim po ng administrasyon po ni Presidente Marcos. Pero sa totoo lang po, Phase 1 lang po ang nakumpleto. Ang Phase 2 at Phase 3, dahil nga po ang tawag nga dito Cavite Extension, hindi po ba? Hanggang Sucat pa lang po yan eh. Yung Phase 2 and Phase 3, mula po Sucat hanggang Barangay Niog, Bacoor, wala pong katiyakan kung kailan po umpisaan at kailan po mabubuksan. Dahil hanggang sa ngayon ay talagang matindi po ang problema po nila ng right of way doon sa mga dadaanan ng itatayong riles. Anyway, narito po ang pahayag ni Secretary Jaime Bautista at ni LRMC CEO Enrico Benipayo hinggil po dito.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are here to announce the partial opening of the light rail transit Line 1 extension. This is the Cavite extension, and we will open this line within the next maybe 2 to 3 weeks. Now, this is within November. This will be the first railway project to be completed within the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Our private partner is the Light Rail Manila Corporation, and I congratulate them for assisting us, helping us that we will be able to open these lines. It will be with 5 stations, from Baclaran to Sucat. we hope that this opening of the extension of Line 1 will help alleviate traffic, no? As it will be able to support thousands of passengers, no? Additional passengers taking LRT Line 1. No? And this will be our early Christmas gift to the residents of the area. No? Maybe we'll ask the president of LRMC to give us more details.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Secretary. Yes, we're, as mentioned by the good secretary, we're also very much excited to open the line again within this month. Surely within the month of November, we'll be able to serve an extended area of the metropolis. 5 additional stations, 6 kilometers, and this will allow people to traverse the alignment within a span of less than an hour. So again, a little plug. So probably preference for the rail, because we would be able to convey people faster in the same alignment, and the total alignment therefore of LRT1 will be extended from 20 kilometers to 26, around 26 kilometers. So that's for phase 1 of the Cavite extension.